Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view and clear your browser history in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll notice several options listed. Look for the one labeled History and hover your mouse cursor over it. When you do this, a secondary menu will slide out to the side, showing you additional history-related options. This submenu gives you quick access to your recently closed tabs and your full browsing history. From this secondary menu, click on the option that says Open History Page. This will take you to a dedicated history page where Chrome displays all your browsing activity. You can now view your complete history, organized chronologically with all the websites you've visited, making it easy to revisit any page or track your browsing patterns. Now, if you want to clear this history, look at the left side of the history page. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Delete Browsing Data. This opens a new window that gives you control over what data you want to remove from Chrome. In the window that appears, you'll first need to select a time range. Click on the drop-down menu at the top that says Time Range. You can choose from options like the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. For this example, select last 7 days to remove the past week's browsing history. Next, you'll see several checkboxes representing different types of data you can delete. Make sure to check the checkbox next to browsing history. This ensures that your visited websites and page history will be removed. You can also select other options here if you want to clear cookies, cached images, or other browsing data. But for now, just focus on the browsing history checkbox. Once you've selected your time range and checked the browsing history box, click the Delete Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will now process your request and remove all the browsing history from the time range you selected. This might take a moment depending on how much data needs to be cleared. And that's it! You've successfully viewed and cleared your browser history in Google Chrome, giving you a fresh start and more privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.